Hey guys, Mike here with another Hess truck review. This time I'll be reviewing the 1990 Hess truck. And the reply to this video will be the 1984 Hess truck video I already did a while back. So if you guys want to see that, the link will be in this video. So, here's the 1990 Hess truck. Let's observe the box. I really like the artwork on these, they're very nice. This one has sounds. Don't know if I have the batteries in it though. Alright, let's open her up. Maybe this camera won't fall. That's the only thing about using a flip camera. I think this one was a tough one to get out. Nope. I got it. Alright, here it is. I haven't opened this in a while. The 1990 Hess truck. Tanker. This one is not a bank. Actually, I think it is. Is it? No. Nope. No, it's not a bank. The 84 is a bank. So here it is. Typical Hess 90s colors. Forest green and white. Freightliner cab. Oil ports for drain. Let's see if this has sounds. Yep. Yep. Lights. Yep, there we go. There's lights. Close the blinds here. There's your lights. Very nice. And yeah, that's very simple. The 1990 Tanker Hess truck. Thank you for watching. Mike out.